Friends, colleagues and listeners, here we are, and I'd just like to make a little announcement now before our first session. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the GSE and RAMP-OPS digital show. And this is going to be a three-part mini-series offering an introduction into a new monthly program that we're going to start next year, 2022. Now, our main focus is to bring together industry leaders to discuss the most pressing issues facing ground support equipment providers and operators. And we're going to do that on a monthly basis. So before I close, I would just like to say a quick thank you to our sponsors and supporters. And they are JBT, TCR, Aviaco, GSE, Airport Services Association, ASA, and Airport Suppliers. Thank you all so much and look forward to speaking very soon. Thank you.